Okay, so welcome back to my channel. My makeup is already done. Today is a hair tutorial, so I'm going to take this down. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like fresh out of the shower. Pretty long, I would say. It's like down to my boobs almost, but I do put extensions in it, Bellamy extensions, so I'm going to put those in and I'm going to show you how I curl it, how I wand it. So if you want to see how I style my hair when I go out or when I do my hair, which is like once every 6 weeks, then keep on watching. Okay, so the things I'm going to be using is a Bellamy 6-in-1 wand. I got this as a present a long time ago and it has like the 6 different wands. This is the biggest one. I think it's an inch. I'm not sure, but it's like the fattest one. I use the Bellamy Bugatti extensions, I think it's called, and this is like a huge weft that I just put in my whole back of my head because I hate having like 10 pieces of extensions. So this like one piece goes in the back and then I just put one on the side, and I'm good to go. This is the jet black color. I use my wet brush. There's like little hairs coming out. The best brush, like the only brush that gets knots out of my hair. And then I have this little clippy thing from CVS. Brush my hair out, brush all the knots out. I brush all the knots out of my extensions because they're always knotty when I don't use them. And I basically just put my hair, I part my hair to put the big extension in, and basically I just put that in the back, and you're just gonna wanna center it. There's 5 clips on the top, so just look for the middle clip and put that right in the middle of your head, and then just like work towards the other ones. It's a little bit hard to do this piece because it is heavy and there's a lot of hair and clips, but once you do it, you'll get used to it. And then I just clip the underneath ones, and that's it. And now I have all this hair. It's still a little wavy because I went out a couple weeks ago for my sister's birthday and I had worn them and I had curled my hair, so now you can see how like these pieces are shorter. So I'm gonna put I just use like these little 2 fur guys. They're long, same length, but they just have like 2 clips. So basically I just do this. Then I flip my hair over. I have so much dandruff, and because my hair is black, you see it, which sucks. So this piece, this I clip just to like make my life easier. Okay, same thing. Use the 2-piece one and clip it in. Okay, now we're in business. So now you have all this hair, and this is only 3 pieces out of the set. The set comes with like I want to say like 10 pieces. It's like so much hair. I don't know how you can wear it. Basically, I just part my hair, and usually I just like start curling in whatever direction. I go back and forth, I switch them, and I don't really part it and do like section by section. I just kind of like go all over and just do random stuff. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna put some music on and just go through it, and you'll see what I'm doing. I'm probably gonna speed it up so it's not like an 18-hour long video. And yeah, let's get to it. Say that I do leave like a piece, like a tail off the curling iron when I'm curling it, because otherwise if you wrap the whole thing around, it'll be like too tight of a curl, and I don't want that. I want them like loose and beachy, so I leave this almost like 2 inches off so you can see it doesn't curl the end. curl aside, I take it and I brush the curls out so they're loose and flowy, and just like run my fingers through it. And in the front, I have like a cowlick here, so I usually just take the iron and just, because I'm not straightening it, I'm curling it, so obviously, I mean, I could just take a straightener to it, but I usually just do that. Okay, and now we're gonna do this side. Curled, everything is brushed out. After I do that, after I curl everything and brush it out, I take this little guy here. It's a Beauty 360, I guess, teasing brush. I think I got this from Ulta probably, or Sally's, one of those. And I just take it and I just like fluff everything up like this, kind of like tease the ends, just make it thicker. I'll do it a little bit over here too, like so, to give everything a little bit more volume and life. And yeah, that's pretty much it. After that, I take this L'Oreal Paris Elnet Satin Hairspray, extra strong hold in the gold bottle. It's pretty big. I got this from Influencer for free a couple months ago, and I still have the bottle and I love it. I still use it. And I just like lightly spray it. It doesn't make my hair crunchy or anything. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you learned something today. If you don't know how to curl hair, don't know how to put in extensions, I hope I was able to help you. I hope you enjoyed it. Please comment below if you liked it, if you didn't like it. Please like this video as well. Please subscribe so you can see my next one. I know I've been MIA for a little bit, but I'm gonna have some more videos coming soon. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, P.S. How cute are these new hoops I got from Bubble Bar? I'll link them down below, but yeah, I love them. They're super light. They look thick and heavy, but they're not. They're so freaking cute. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.